Here I've got Huawei Y6p, and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, then go to the contacts. Now just select the one that you would like to add this profile picture to. In my case it will be Valerie, and now click on the icon, it's in the middle. And now tap on the camera icon in the middle of the screen, and then you can either take a photo if someone is staying right in front of you, or you can choose something from the gallery, and this is what I will pick. Now just pick the picture that you would like to apply to this contact. In my case it's this one, this portrait. Then you can customize it, so you can change the setup, and then just tap on confirmation mark. Tap on the confirmation mark again to save the changes, and that's it. As you can see, from now on, every time Valerie will be calling you, you will see this profile picture at first. So this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.